Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin GPSMAP 67i. To begin, locate the power button on the top right side of the device. Press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds until the Garmin logo appears. The device will then boot up and display the main menu, ready for you to start your adventure. This simple step ensures your device is powered on and prepared for navigation and communication. Navigating the GPSMAP 67i's interface is straightforward. Use the directional pad or D-pad positioned below the screen to move through various menu options. To select an item, simply press the Enter button located in the center of the D-pad. If you need to go back to a previous screen, press the Back button found to the left. For the main menu, use the Menu button on the right. The in-reach messaging feature is crucial for communication beyond cell service. From the main menu, navigate to the Messages application. Here, you can select New Message to compose a fresh text or choose an existing conversation. Utilize the on-screen keyboard to type your message and select recipients from your stored contacts. Once ready, press Send to transmit your message reliably via the Iridium satellite network, ensuring your safety and connectivity. Tracking your journey and marking important locations is simple with the GPSMAP 67i. To begin recording your path, access the Track Manager and select Start Tracking. Your device will then log your route, which you can review on the map or share later. To mark a specific point of interest, press the dedicated Mark button located on the front of the device. You can then customize the waypoint with a name, symbol, and notes before saving it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.